It's a big day for us. We're here at Jones Off-Road in Jones, Oklahoma, and we are picking up our brand new 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000 Premium. This is the first glance I'm getting at the new machine. This is the matte titanium color. It does have power steering, the upgraded 26-inch tires and aluminum wheels. Also the full front bumper that comes with the premium model. It also has the sliding adjustable seat and sewn seats and thicker cushions that come with the premium model. The automotive paint is also included with the premium model. We did opt for the Crew because my wife and I have 4 children, so we will all fit in here with seat belts. It's so fun to see it all brand new. Not even hardly any dust on it yet. This Ranger is going to see a lot of action with us in Arizona. Something I noticed sitting in one of these units in Arizona and starting it up is how quiet they are. And that's definitely something I want, where this is going to be a recreational vehicle with family and friends, and I want to be able to visit while we're out on the trail. Comfortable seating for 6. That's what I'm after. Well, I want to go ahead and start up that motor for the first time. Wow, that is quiet. Quiet and smooth. All still shiny and brand new. Tell you what, folks, I cannot wait to get back to Arizona and put some miles on this machine.